Today, a container filled with $2 million worth of medical supplies, including beds, equipment, and consumables, were handed over to the Belize Emergency Response Team, BERT. The supplies are donated by Project Cure and will be shared between several emergency healthcare organizations, including the KHMH and Ricky Lee Response and Rescue in the Keys. BERT has been providing EMT services to the country for the past 22 years, and in many instances, they have been the first responders in terms of accidents and emergencies.
Today, the country of Belize is receiving a container of medical supplies that's going to help us improve our response to COVID-19. The container is valued about $1 million US, and you're seeing this donation today becoming a reality as a result of the partnership between BERT and RRR Air Evac. The container contains medical supplies that we will use in our accident and emergency units in San Pedro, Kikaker, and we do intend to hand over some to KHMH as well. As you can see, we have a lot of beds. As you know, the beds in Belize are becoming in short supply, so this will help us be able to assist more patients going forward.
RRR Air Evac is also an emergency response provider that began in San Pedro more than 2 years ago, rescuing visitors and locals alike. Manager Mike Ruiz says that the donation was 2 years in the making, with support from Young Professionals organization out of Denver, Colorado, and Project Cure.
This container has been a blessing. It's been a coordinated effort with Project Cure, a group called the Young Professionals out of Denver, Colorado. They gathered up all the money, and last year RRR was able to work with Project Cure and put down $1 million of medical supplies into the Keys. At that time, we really didn't want to self-promote. We just kind of were quiet about it. But during this COVID pandemic, it's created a new international need and desire to share humanitarian efforts. And it's just very pleased to participate in the support of the Belizean government, the people of Belize, the Rotary Club, Belize Emergency Response Team, RRR, and everyone that has been a supporter of RRR Air Evac Emergency Response on the island of San Pedro.
On hand to receive the donation on behalf of the government of Belize was Tourism Minister Anthony Mala. He speaks on the importance of a robust emergency response team in the country, especially during these COVID times.
On behalf of the people of Belize, and the government of Belize, I would like to thank BERT, RRR, Air Evac, the Rotary, and Project Cure for all the work they're doing in Belize, and all the supplies that we've gotten today. It will go a long way, especially in this critical time of need. Like Mr. Carrillo said, and other speakers before, we have so much demand for medical supplies. COVID has created chaos around the world and in Belize, and we want to ensure that we can do what is necessary to take care of the Belizean people and who are in our country.
Dwayne Moody for News 5.